You know what you need to do is either one, you start your own business, or you get into sales, right? You start your own business, you find a problem in society, you provide a solution, people pay for it, but it's not easy to run a business. 99.5% of businesses fail.
Hey Tom Peng, love what you're doing on your channel, buddy. Super congrats. You know, giving your time and energy to nonprofit business channel. Look man, keep driving that audience. So Tom Peng, look forward to spending some time with you. I know you got the right mindset, so I'd love for you to share some of that from the big V. God bless, be great. 10X.
So somebody said this apartment in District 7. House in what? What did you say? District 7? 5T in 5 years. Okay. Well, not easy to do that. Well, you can't do that on McDonald's salary. On a 10, 15, 20, even $25 million salary, you cannot do that. So there's only two things you can do. If you want to make money, so you can buy an apartment, buy a car, whatever that you want, maybe help your family. You know what you need to do is either one, you start your own business, or you get into sales, right? You start your own business, you find a problem in society, you provide a solution, people pay for it, but it's not easy to run a business. 99.5% of businesses fail. Ever heard that statistics before? No? Majority of the businesses fail. Do you realize that? You don't. Google, percentage of businesses fail, like startup businesses. These guys are so optimistic.
Rồi như các bạn có thể thấy ở đây là hơn 90% doanh nghiệp khởi nghiệp đều thất bại. Đúng không ạ? Vậy khởi nghiệp có dễ dàng không ạ? Thì ở đây là con số nào đã là hơn 90% doanh nghiệp khởi nghiệp sẽ bị thất bại.
Did it say 90% fail?
Yes.
Yeah. It's actually higher than that. Okay? Most businesses fail. I'll get that into your head. Alright? Anybody want to start a coffee shop, you're gonna fail. Guaranteed. A lot of people want to start a coffee shop. I don't know why. It's the most saturated business there is. Meaning there's like a coffee shop every corner of the street. And it already has big brands established. Coffee shop. Right? It's the dumbest idea. 90% it says. Well, it's gone now, but 90%. You also need money to start a business. You need enough money to start a business. What happens when you don't have enough money to start a business? Anybody tell me? What? Bankrupt. A1, 100 points, right? A1 says bankrupt. You start a business without enough money. What happens is that before you start making money, you run out of money. A lot of businesses fail because of that. They don't have enough time to start making money. Sometimes enough time is 4 years, 5 years, maybe 10 years. Do you have enough money to lose money for the next 5 years? Everybody get me? Everybody understand me? There's my new ass. Everybody understand me, right? So you can start your own business. If you find a problem and you provide a solution, people pay you for it, and you're able to make money, great. And then you can get the car, and then you can get the house, and then you can help your family, okay? Or you can get into sales. Why? Why sales?
Tại sao lại là
Give me some
sales?
reasons.
Vì họ có mối quan hệ, họ có nhiều mối quan hệ và họ cũng có thể giúp doanh nghiệp kiếm tiền nhiều người gặp lại.
Okay, any other reasons?
Phát triển kinh doanh.
Okay, what I mean is how sales can help you make more money.
Tiền hoa hồng nhiều thì sẽ
Okay. All right. Commission income. Only A1 is answering my question. So A1, 100 points. When you're in sales, you don't have to spend your own money. I will never ask you to pay me money to be my sales. In fact, I pay you. I pay you a basic minimum so that you don't starve. Okay, just enough for instant noodles. But what you can make is up to you. How much money you want to make is up to you. It depends on how hard you work, how smart you work. Are you willing to work on weekends? Are you willing to work at night? Are you willing to learn new sales skills? Are you willing to learn a new product? And more importantly, are you willing to help people?
Và điều quan trọng hơn hết là các bạn có sẵn sàng giúp đỡ người khác hay không?
Because that's what we're here for. The sales role is to help people. There's a lot of people out there that they want to do e-commerce, they want to export, but they don't know how. I'm serious. If you're not here to help people, get the fuck out. Because when I said, are you here to help people? You said no. Get the fuck out.
Nếu mà một bạn một sản phẩm thì ưu tiên sẽ ra sản phẩm. Ưu tiên là sản phẩm tốt có thể
In order to sell a product, the most priorities have to be a good and quality product.
I don't give a fuck what you think. Okay? You're here to help people. Do you agree?
Bạn ở đây để
You better agree. Fucking swear you up. Getting on a good start today, huh? Really two ways, right? You start your own business and get in sales. Right? In sales, you're not paying your own money, but based on your hard work and your own intelligence, you can make as much money as you want. The most important thing is you gotta be willing to help people. That's what our jobs are. We're here to help people. If that's not within you, you should not be in sales. You are basically in a service business. We'll talk more about that. Okay? So, if you're the kind of person that wake up at 11, work one day and take 2 days off,
hôm nay đi làm một ngày, sau đó nghỉ 2 ngày,
then you're not going to achieve much in sales. But if you're motivated, you're willing to learn, get up in the morning, you work late, you look for customers, you talk to customers, you demo to customers. In fact, that house, 5T, yes?
và căn nhà đó 5 tỷ đúng không bạn?
5 years is too long. We can do it in about 12 months. You want to know how to do it in 12 months? 5T, house, 12 months. I will tell you in the afternoon. You want to know how?
Yes.
Stay till the end.